Hello guys, back again with me, Pendle here. To be honest, I'm not ready to make like a reaction video or anything today, but my friend just texted me like 2 hours ago. MotoGP 24 games announcing their like sneak peek probably or what is it like preview, and my friend said, "Are you watch it already? Like this preview for MotoGP 24?" And I said, "No, no, I haven't." And he said, "Don't watch it now. Don't open your Instagram, your Twitter, everything. Don't open your social media. Get back, film yourself, record a reaction video out of it." Why? I just like, why? And he said, "See for yourself." And yeah, no prepare at all, just popped up a camera, mic, and let's see what it's all about. Did I am recording it? Yes, let's go.
When you think you know all the tracks, but you don't.
Okay.
When you have friendly bonds, but then the lights go out.
Mm, I think this is not like a game in-game preview for 2024 because the livery is from 2023 and the aerodynamic is also 2023 bikes, but the riders is already in the correct team, I believe so. I think it's the footage from MotoGP 2023, so it's not the graphic gameplay that we would get in MotoGP 2024, but it's alright, it's alright.
When you think you're the first, but it's not over yet. When you know reality has rules, but rules are meant to be broken.
Oh, what?
But rules are meant to be broken.
So this what he's trying to tell me. What's new in MotoGP 24? Oh, this is sick, man. What? What is this real? Is this happening right now? You can change T? You can move T? This is new. Huh. What? God. I don't know. I'm waiting these features from 2018. Like I've said it before, like when we play FIFA, when we play 2K, everyone changed it. You can move. Everyone can move. But in MotoGP game, it's funny because sometimes I play like MotoGP 23, for example. I play like 24 season, and I always fighting with Jorge Martin, Francisco Bagnaia, and sometimes Jack Miller, sometimes like Brad Binder, Alexis Spargaro, and nobody except of those will never in like a winning contention unless it's like a flag to flag or rain, everyone just crash. But this is interesting. So you can move, no, not you, but AI can also move team to team. So the dynamic of the gameplay and who will be strong, who will be not that strong, is going to be changing a lot. This is it. This is it. So this is what you are telling me about. Okay, I'll say thanks to him. I'll say thank you, my brother. Okay, okay, okay. Okay. So yeah, thank you. Let's continue. Let's just finish it. I think that's the underline, the bold line that
It
my
only
friend
happens
trying
in
to tell me
MotoGP
about.
24.
Yeah. Uh, 5. So it's June 2nd of June 24. Okay. I don't know how much is it in Steam. Probably around like 80 to $100 probably. Well, it's like a million rupiah, so it costs a lot. But if it's good, then I think I'll buy it. Did my setup can handle the game? I don't know. That's why I didn't make a career mode in MotoGP 2023 because my I don't own PC anymore. I just use laptop, so my laptop is barely can play the MotoGP 23. I don't know about MotoGP 24. Oh come on! I can't wait to test how the MotoGP 24 is about. So thank you for watching and see you next time.